Today we are going to replace the date battery. First, please turn off the device and unplug it before disassembling it. Next, unscrew the 4 hex socket head cap screws on top of the housing. The next step, separate the top and bottom of the housing. Be aware, when separating the top and bottom of the housing, there are still many wires connecting both. Next, take off the top housing and then remove the dead battery with the plastic ruler or other tools so that the device will not be scratched. The next step, put in the new CR2032 battery with the negative side down and the positive side up. Lastly, place the battery in the battery terminal opposite the cables. Then you're finished.